In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google section available here. Now select All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google. Finally, scroll one more time to hit Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock. Hit this eye icon and this way make your password visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!